Next example 4.21, very important 5 mark. Many times they will ask this question last year. P and Q are the midpoints of the sides CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC. Right angle at C. Prove that 4AQ square plus BP square equal to 5AC square. What they say? P and Q are the midpoints of the CB respectively of triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is there. Look at that. A, B, C. This is a triangle A, B, C. If you are drawing like this, then it will not come. So, like this is come. A, B, C. Because they say right angle at the C. Next, P and Q are the midpoints of the side CA. P is the side of CA, Q is the side of CB. Here P and here Q. Respectively of right angle C. Prove that we have to prove it. Okay. For that midpoint means already I said 2. Here 8 means here 4. 2 parts also equal. Okay. Now look at that. BC equal to BQ plus QC. So already I said this point and this points are equal. No. BQ equal to QC. These 2 points are equal. So BC equal to BQ equal to QC, yeah? So QC plus QC. So BC equal to 2QC we can write. This is one. Another BC equal to same BQ plus QC. BC equal to, before I applied BQ equal to QC, now I am applying QC equal to BQ also is there, no? X is equal to Y now, Y equal to X now, same, no? For same. BQ equal to QC, already I applied. Now I am applying QC equal to BQ. So BQ plus BQ. So BC equal to 2BQ. Okay, this condition I am keeping here. BC equal to 2QC and BC equal to 2BQ. Next, this also same rule, no? This here also same rule. This all you write side, no need of writing in main one. Next, AC equal to, this AC, no? AC equal to AP plus PC. AP plus PC. This value plus this value. They said midpoint. Midpoint means what? AP equal to PC. These two values are equal. Now AC equal to, AP equal to PC, yeah? So PC plus PC. So AC equal to 2PC. AC equal to 2PC. Next, AC equal to PC, AP plus PC. Before I applied AP equal to PC, now I apply PC equal to AP. So AP, PC equal to AP. So AC equal to 2AP. AC equal to 2AP. So this 4 condition I am going to apply in last we are going to use some condition for this. Okay. Next, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse, this is ABC, no? This is triangle ACB. This is hypotenuse, this is opposite, this is adjacent. So hypotenuse value is what? AB square equal to opposite value AC square plus adjacent value BC square. Okay. Now here what? AB, AB before what is there? 5 is there. So multiply 5 on both sides. Multiply 5 on both sides. So multiply 5 means 5AB square equal to 5AC square plus 5BC square. This is I am taking as equation 1. Next, just I am drawing this one because here what is there? AQ is there, no? If I need to take AQ is hypotenuse side, this is this triangle only I can take. So for that, in triangle AQC by Pythagoras theorem, ACQ, this is hypotenuse, this is opposite, this is adjacent. So hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse values AQ square equal to opposite value AC square plus QC square. This is equation 2. Next proof BP is there. BP means here. This triangle is BP. So for that, what I have take this triangle, what BPC. In triangle BPC, simple. C is the right angle, no? AQ is there. AQC take. Here BP is there. C is the right angle. So BPC take. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. PCB, this triangle, no? This is hypotenuse, this is opposite, this is adjacent. So hypotenuse value is BP square equal to PC square plus BC square. This is equation 3. Now what they said, see, they are adding AQ square plus BP square. First they are adding, after they are multiplying by 4. AQ square where it is, this is equation 2. BP square where it is, this is equation 3. So I am going to add equation 2 plus equation 3. Next, so here what is there? 4 multiply 4, no? Multiply 4 on both sides. Now I added equation 2, AQ value this one, BP value this one. After that I am multiplying 4. 4 AQ square plus BP square equal to 4 AP square plus 4 BP square equal to 4 AC square, 4 QC square plus 4 PC square plus 4 BC square. Here also 4, here also 4. 4 common, take outside. 4 AQ square plus BP square equal to, so this side already I came, AQ and BP came. Here AB is there. I have one already, I found like this one, equation 1. What I have to eliminate, here AC came and here also BC came. But here I have to eliminate this QC and PC. I have to eliminate. For that, what I am doing, this 4 I can write 2 square. 2 square. First you write this one. 4 AC square, 2 square QC square plus 2 square PC square. This don't change. 4 BC square. The AC and BC don't change because I have to make AB square. For that I am keeping as it is. So this side as it is, 4 AQ square plus BP square equal to 4 AC square, 2 also square common, so 2 QC square plus here also square common, 2 PC square plus 4 BC square. Okay. Now, if you look at this as it is, you keep 4ac square plus 2qc equal to, see, 2qc equal to what I can write? BC, huh? So BC square plus 2BC equal to what I can write? AC. AC square plus 4BC square. Here assume that 1. Here 1 BC, here 4 BC, totally 5 BC. Here 1 4 AC, here 1 AC, totally 5 AC. So 5 AC square, 5 BC square. So this we can write 5 AC square plus 5 BC square value 5 AB square by using equation 1. Equation 1 la this value equal to 5 AB square is there. This side 4 AQ square plus BP square. This is the answer for this question. Okay, thank you. Very important sum. So listen carefully, and if you have a doubt, ask me. Okay, thank you.